Hey guys, we'll get to the room tour in just a second, but before we do, I just want to say if you want more information on Sandals Grenada, we actually have a link to a long-form podcast in the description. It's a review of the whole resort, the food, the service, everything, what to do there, the whole nine. Link in the description. Check it out, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, we would love a subscription. And then, by the way, I'm actually in Sandals Montego Bay right now. Just happened to be, filming this intro here. But anyways, enjoy the podcast, enjoy this video, and again, if you like the content, would love a subscription. Thank you guys so much.